welcome back to my channel. My name is Leanna. Today I'm going to be collaborating with my friend here on YouTube. Her name is Alex. You may know her as Alex the Alchemist. That's her channel name. I've been wanting to collaborate with her for quite a while. I think she is very talented and very unique. She does a lot of different kinds of tutorials, but she also does a lot of social commentary, kind of like I do. She has a series called It's Complicated, where she talks about different issues. She talked about like animal cruelty as it pertains to beauty and how it's not so cut and dry, because it's really not. And that's a really great series of hers that I really enjoy. She is a cruelty-free YouTuber, and she does a lot of really colorful looks. You can probably tell by her photo that she loves color. She has colorful hair. She makes me want to dye my hair again. Anyway, today we are choosing each other's makeup. I thought that would be a fun idea. I know it's not an original idea. I'm sure lots of people have done this before. But I thought it would be fun because I asked her, would you like to do something more fun or something more serious? And, you know, we both decided that there's a lot of serious videos out there, and when you do a collab, maybe it should be a little bit more fun. So I sent her photos of my collection and she sent me photos of hers, and we just kind of whittled it down to some different colors to create a fun look. So I made sure to put swatches on my hands so I wouldn't forget what colors she chose for me. These are my eyeshadows and eyeliner colors that I'm supposed to use. The blushes and highlighter, lipsticks, not so hard to remember, but I thought I would put these on my hand just in case I forgot. And of course, after you're finished watching this or before, you can head over to her channel and watch her video where I picked out some unique colors for her to try out. I'm going to have her video and her channel listed down below in the description box, so please go check her out. And now I'm just going to have a look at these colors and see what I can come up with. So I moved you in just a little bit closer. I am going to start on the eyes. So she picked out this color scheme here. I don't know if you can see this on camera, but she did choose a pink duochrome, this sort of brighter orchid shade, a red, black, and then purple eyeliner. So definitely some interesting colors. I think I might start with the red, just because I think that the shade can be built up a little bit more slowly. So this is the Hard Candy Look Pro Rose Gold palette, and this is the shade Heartbeat, which is a sort of matte, not too bright and not too dark red. And I'm just going to start by taking that on a fluffy brush through my crease. Yeah, that's definitely something that can start off softer, but I know for sure it can be built up quite a bit. And I did already do my base makeup and eyebrows. We didn't choose those sorts of products for each other. So I'll leave everything in the description box if you're curious about which products I used. Alex actually did a really great Harry Potter related collab, basically just like a day after I put my Harry Potter video up, which I thought was awesome, because she did it with Rena Reviews, who we both are friends with, and Ready Jet Glow and Mascara Cakes. It was just a really great video. Everybody did makeup inspired by their Hogwarts house, and it was just really cute. So Alex is a Gryffindor. I keep getting different results online, so I'm not sure which house I am. I have a Gryffindor shirt. It's way too small for me though. It was, like, even when I was smaller than what I am now, it was just a really tiny shirt, so I hang it up on my wall. It's not up right now just because we are moving very soon, but so I think I'm a Gryffindor. I think I might do a cut crease, so I'm going to have to grab some concealer. I'm going to use the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in Fair 02. This works better on my eyelids than it does under my eyes, and since, you know, I am going to try and use it some way, I might as well use it for cut creases. I have deep set eyes, so looking up like that helps me place it. I'm just using this small concealer brush. Of course, cutting the crease that high, I'm probably going to have to add more of that red shade around the edge. But you see how quickly that stuff dries? I'm already having trouble blending it. I shouldn't have put it on both eyes at the same time. I wasn't kidding when I said that this stuff self-sets. It's so dry. So then I'm going to take a smaller brush. This is a Sigma E36. I'm going to take that red again. And this time make sure that I'm blending around the edge of the cut crease, because I ended up cutting away more than what I thought I would. I'm taking the shade Custard from the Juvia's Place Deuce palette, and I'm going to put that in the center of my lid. And this is like a bright magenta matte shade. I did not plan this ahead of time, so I just hope that it turns out looking okay. So I'm going to take the black from the Hard Candy Le Pro Rose Gold palette, which is Ball and Chain, and it's a matte black shade. It's actually really pigmented. That's what I used for my Avada Kedavra look in my Harry Potter video. And that's going to go on the outer corner of my eye. I'm just taking the fluffier end of this brush and just buffing out the outer corner once I've placed it down. I don't want that to be a fully flat edge on the outer corner, if that makes sense. I just want that to soften a little bit. So what I'll do is just build it up, get it into that sort of cat eye shape that I usually do, and then just blend it. This is from the Modern Renaissance palette, this brush. This fluffy end is just disastrous, but the other end is okay. I always feel like I can get it into a better cat eye shape on my right eye than I can on the left. So my eyes must just be slightly different shapes on each side. So I'm taking my small blending brush and I'm going to start blending the pink and the black together so that it's not a harsh line. And for that, I'm probably going to have to go back and forth between the black and the pink a few times. Moving on to the duochrome. This is Pink Opal from the Alchemist palette. And I'm putting that on the inner corner and inner lid. In the crease, I'm just going to take a thin brush to draw a more intense line of red right on top of the colors on the lid. And then drawing just the slightest bit more red with my fluffy brush. I'm taking pink opal on my brow bone. What's left of it. For the colors on my lower lash line, I'm just going to mimic what I did on my upper lash line. So I'm going to start with black on the outer corner. Then the pink. And then the pink duochrome. So on my upper lash line, I'm going to use this NYX Vivid Brights liquid liner in Vivid Purple. No, sorry, Vivid Violet. And draw a small wing. I'm not sure how well it'll work over the black, but we'll see. And then drawing it back. Yeah, it's going to be a little hard to tell that it's there. I'm having trouble telling if I've even filled it in all the way over the black. I'm gonna say yes. So for mascara, she wanted me to use the Milk Kush mascara, which I actually just opened. I haven't tried it yet. I have this mini that I've been holding on to since my birthday back in July. So this will be interesting to try it and see how it works. Doesn't smell like cannabis. When eyeliner gets in my eyelashes, it makes them feel all crusty before I put on. I feel like this mascara is pretty meh. For blush, Alex wanted me to use my Tarte blush. For highlight, I'm supposed to use the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter in Precious Petals. Now, I've received this shade instead of Blossom Glow twice now, and this is not a highlighter on me. It's actually, I could use it as a blush, or I can use it as a blush topper. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to sweep it all over my cheeks and up into the highlight area, because it's very dark on my skin. There's just something wrong on Well.ca's website where this and Blossom Glow must be mixed up, and they send people the wrong one. So they were really nice about it, but it's just too bad I didn't get Blossom Glow. You can see how that just gives the face a nice healthy glow. And for lips, she wanted me to use this lipstick. This is the Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in Backstage Bambi. I am just going to line my lips with the Wet n Wild Perfect Pout Gel Lip Liner in Pink Electro, since it's the exact same shade. She didn't tell me to use this, but it just helps get the right shape. So this is the finished look. that Alex picked out for me. I think that it turned out really fun. I really like the colors. I didn't think of putting those exact colors together, so it's always nice to have somebody else give you their opinion and pick something for you. I think that this turned out really interesting. And I can't wait to see what Alex does with the colors I picked for her. I did pick some really interesting colors that I think do go together. It's a little bit of a challenge, but nothing that I don't think she can work with. So I can't wait to watch her video. Please do go check out her channel. Again, I have her info listed down below for you, so you can easily access her links there. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed Alex's content as well. I do post Mondays and Fridays in the afternoons here, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye guys!